K&J preparing.
We got this. Ready? We got this. Okay. Just on the land.
No!
Ow, I just hit my foot against the chair. Ow. I got ow.
So what's up, K&J fans?
It's alright, this is a preparing video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The real one's coming up. We still have to make it.
Yeah. We're not even ready. We look like crap. I'm not gonna
I mean, look at me.
Camera. Yeah. Do we stop it? Now, you know you want to be our friend.
Yeah.
Because we're awesome like this.
So look us up on Twitter.
Yeah.
Like us on
I was on
Facebook.
Twitter and I'll go on Twitter again. Not now, though.
Look us up on Twitter at the K&J Show.
Yeah. And on Facebook.
And you can look us up. Gmail.
We can be your chat buddy.
Oh yeah. Anyway.
Video chat.
This
Oh,
is
and then on Skype. No. Just find her on Skype. Then find me. Then find me. And we'll do a 3-way. That sounds weird.
Yeah. We'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.